The Physiology series, episode 12. Everything you've learned in this series points to one central truth. Your body is not reacting to life. It is predicting it. Those predictions shape your posture, your movement, your breath, your balance, and your experience of effort and ease. They are built from information. Information from your fascia, information from your sensory receptors, information from how your body has been used, protected, stressed, and supported over time. When information is unclear, the nervous system chooses caution. It stiffens, it compresses, it braces, it narrows movement options. Not because something is wrong, but because protection feels necessary. This is how pain persists. This is how posture becomes habitual. This is how movement becomes limited. This is how people begin to feel disconnected from their own body. None of this is failure. It is adaptation. Adaptive bodywork works because it changes the quality of information the nervous system is using to predict. When fascia regains glide, when space returns, and when sensory communication becomes clear, the nervous system recalculates. It recognizes that less protection is required. And when protection is no longer necessary, the body reorganizes. Movement becomes easier, breath becomes fuller, posture becomes effortless, balance stabilizes, pain patterns lose their reason to persist. This change does not come from force. It does not come from correction. It does not come from willpower. It comes from clarity. Your body always follows the clearest, safest, most efficient signal available. That is why change can feel immediate, and that is why it can last. When the prediction changes, behavior changes, structure changes, experience changes. You are not trying to become someone new. You are allowing your body to stop organizing around an outdated forecast. This is what it means to inhabit a resilient, adaptable body. A body that listens, a body that learns, a body that reorganizes intelligently when given the right information. In the final monologue of the Physiology series, I'll bring everything together. What this means for your daily life, your sense of self, and how to take the next step from understanding this work to experiencing it directly.